Welcome to this technical guide on the Huawei GT3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Huawei GT3 warranty seems invalid, you may be facing a common issue that can arise from various factors, such as accidental damage or a manufacturing defect. If left unaddressed, this could lead to further complications, potentially costing you more in repairs or even rendering your device unusable. To tackle this issue effectively, you will need a few essential tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement warranty seal if necessary. To begin the repair, ensure you switch off your Huawei GT3 and remove any SIM or memory cards. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to separate the back cover from the device, taking care to avoid applying too much pressure as this could damage the casing. Once the back cover is off, you will want to locate the warranty seal, which is often found near the battery compartment. This is the component that frequently causes the warranty issue. Gently disconnect the battery connector using your tweezers, applying minimal force to avoid damaging the connectors. Now, you can extract the faulty warranty seal by unscrewing the small Phillips screw securing it in place. Be careful to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. When replacing the warranty seal, ensure it aligns perfectly with the connectors and is secured properly with the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new warranty seal is in place, reconnect the battery connector, ensuring a snug fit. To reassemble the device, gently press the back cover into place, making sure it clicks securely without forcing it. Finally, turn your Huawei GT3 back on to verify that everything is functioning correctly. If you want to prevent this issue from occurring again, always handle your device with care, avoid exposing it to extreme conditions, and consider using a protective case. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.